Okay, good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Uh, Good morning, mga sir. I'm Rosie Toledo. I'm 27 years old. I am ex-abroad.
Okay, are you married?
I live in partner.
Okay, how many children do you have?
Three children.
How old are they?
My eldest is 8 years old. A second is 5 years old, and third 3 years old.
Okay, you have three children. So, all girls or boys?
Two girls and one boy.
Okay, yes. Okay, yes. So then, the boy, how old?
3 years old.
And the girls?
The girls is uh, two girls.
How old? The girls?
I'm eldest is 8 years old and second is 5 years old.
Okay, yes. Okay, yeah. You said that you've been work in abroad. So, what country you are been? Saudi Arabia. How long years?
2 years.
Okay, then how many members in that family?
5 members.
5 members. Five?
4 members.
Okay. Okay, how many children?
Two children.
How old?
2 years old and 6 years old.
Okay. Yes, so then they are 4 members. So how many helpers do you have?
One members.
One helper, just
One
only
helper.
you helper, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, the same time you are to taking care the children, the two children, and all around housemaid, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you do cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food you can cook?
Arabic food.
Okay. Yes. So okay. Yes, you said that you have two children in that employer house. So are you capable to taking care a newborn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then can you tell me how the way you taking care the newborn?
My babies,
Mm-hmm.
I check stomach
Mm-hmm.
and diaper
Mm-hmm.
and I check in my temperature.
Okay, baby is very sensitive. Yes, of course you have to really pay attention or you have to very careful every now and then. Okay, for example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
I check my temperature,
Mm-hmm.
my stomach,
Mm-hmm.
and diaper.
Okay, yes, you have to check. Maybe there's something wrong that maybe get fever or stomach ache, right?
Yes.
If that the baby is not feeling well, so what will you do?
I saw.
What will you do? So if that the baby is not feeling well,
I'm calling my employer.
oh yes, inform immediately to your employer that the baby is not feeling well, and of course you have to wait the instruction, or you give a first aid.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Okay then, so why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
I heard in Hong Kong is very high salary.
Oh yes, Hong Kong is very offer a high salary and also very nice country.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. If you get hired, so do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go on.
I will hire. I will hire your. I will hire. Um, I promise. I promise.
Yes, if you get hired, so you promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and of course, Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then, if your employer requests not Saturday or Sunday, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back for overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. And yes, and to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot involve in ibang finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot use your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.
Thank you.